Setting up your domain for email at Hostinger is very easy to do. Today I am going to show you how to do it. First of all, you have to open Chrome and search for hosting. Then click on the hosting platform made for you, go online with Hostinger, and then you have to log in here. Enter your email and password, and click on the login button. It may take several seconds to open depending on your internet speed. Hostinger allows you to use your own custom domain for professional-looking email addresses your name at yourdomain.com. Now you have to click on the emails button, which is on the top. Then you have to click the manage button in front of your domain. Now it could take several seconds to open a new window. Then here you have to click on email accounts. Now here you have to click on create new email account. After that email window will be open. Now here you have to write your name in the email box. Then after it, your domain will come. You have to set its password. Also, you can click on automatically generate password. After you click on automatically generate password, it will automatically generate the password. But I think you should write your password by yourself. Password recovery email. Here you have to put your recovery email. After entering all these details, you have to click on create a new account. It's done. And now here you can see that your domain for email at Hostinger is set up. So, in this way, you can set up your domain for email at Hostinger.